What's up, guys? This is my attempt to get free service video. I'm sure you are already aware of all these apps that give you free phone number, like Text Now, Text Free. Well, I saw something on Text Now. I downloaded the app on the iPhone, and there was a setting in there that said order a SIM card on the Text Now app. And so I did. I ordered the SIM card. This is what I got in the mail. It's some kind of SIM card. I'm gonna put it in the phone, on another phone, not on my phone. I already have service. I just want to see if this thing gets service. I know it's not gonna give me internet because it works over Wi-Fi. You already get a second number with the Text Now app, Text Free app, second number app. There's, I don't know, 10 like different apps out there that do the same thing. They just basically give you a phone number, kind of like a second line, and you can text and you can talk free without activating anything over Wi-Fi. You gotta have Wi-Fi. But this, it's a SIM card, so I want to see if I activate this thing, if I can get phone calls and text messages without being hooked up to Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I just wanted to make the video. Maybe if it doesn't work, I'll post it. Maybe I won't post it. So if you're seeing it, it's because I obviously posted it. So I'm gonna get started. What I'm gonna do basically is I'm ready to install the app on an iPhone, and I'm gonna start recording the screen on the iPhone. So what you're gonna see is I'm gonna switch my camera over to the iPhone, and I'm basically gonna install the Text Now app, which I don't know if you could see this because of the light, but you could just download Text Now on your phone, and you get a second number. But then there's a setting in there that says order a SIM card, so that's what I did, and let's see if it works. So that's it. Let's see if this thing works. I'm gonna install the app now, so I'm gonna start recording. Let me start recording. Here we go. I'm recording, and I got the I'm gonna open up the app, and I'm gonna download the I might even have it on this phone. I don't even know. I don't use this phone. There's something wrong with the phone. Okay, Text Now, that's the app. It's called Text Now. There's Text Free, but no, this is the app. Text Now. I'm gonna download it. Right now, this phone doesn't have any service, and I'm going to install the app, and then I'm gonna activate the SIM card. So, if you want to stick around the video, just basically installing Text Now app. There's nothing fancy about it. Pretty soon I'm just gonna show you. I'm taking the SIM card out and then just putting it in the phone, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to activate it on the Text Now app and see what happens. So that's pretty much what's gonna happen. All right, so now I installed it. I'm gonna open it, and I'm just gonna sign up, I guess. Sign up with email. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Super secret Receive text now, user tips. No, I don't want to. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Stop paying for phone service, cut the cord, add a second number to my phone. No, I want to stop paying for phone service and cut the cord. You are steps away from accessing our free nationwide talk and text network. Notice that it says talk and text, okay? It doesn't say internet. It says buy a SIM card. I already bought one. I'm gonna use Wi-Fi for now. You can access. Let me try and see if I already bought the SIM card. It says buy a SIM kit. That's what I did already. I already did this. Okay, it's $99. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and choose use Wi-Fi free. I'm gonna get a free number. I don't know, get my free number. Just trying to figure out where I am. It didn't show you my location on the video, I guess for privacy reasons, but I don't know. I want an area code from New York, I guess. That's what I remember, but let me change the area code. 917, let's see if there's any 917 numbers. No, they don't have any 917 numbers. 718, let me try 718. No, they don't have any. I don't want it. Okay, I'll just try a Rhode Island number. Okay, I'll pick one that I like. Refresh numbers. I'll just go with the 401-425-3746 and I'm gonna hit continue. Blah 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 will allow you to turn on a microphone. Yeah, I guess you have to say okay to be able to turn on notifications. You can allow it or you cannot allow them. I'll allow it, but just for the sake of the video, keep calling and texting free, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna ask it not to track me. And I think I'm good now. This is what you like to access your contacts. Don't allow right now. Let's say I wanted to call some number. This is just a random number. Okay, so it works. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the SIM card. Because I already ordered the SIM card. And now I'm going to go and activate Text Now SIM card. Let's activate your Text Now SIM card. Blah, blah, blah. Open your settings. General about ICCD number. Please, space. Oh. Okay. It's asking me to put in the SIM card. I don't have it in the phone yet. It's in the SIM card is outside. 8 9 oops. Okay. So my camera cut off. I'm sorry guys, but pretty much what you're doing here is just activating the SIM card that you got in the mail. Once you get the SIM card in the mail, you're gonna need to do this on your phone. With the app, you're gonna put in your SIM card number. Maybe I shouldn't be showing my SIM card number, but I don't even use this phone anyways. This is just a video to show you guys to get free service, but I'm sure somebody's gonna try and hack my phone or my number or whatever it is. I got a little trick for you. If you look at the comments, I'll put it in the comments. I'm not gonna put it in the video, but there's usually a little trick that I did with this SIM card once I got it activated and everything. Okay, so there you go. Your phone is ready to be activated on the free talk and text mobile network. Remember that, free talk and text, no internet. Basically, all it means is they're gonna give you internet
to use text now, and you're going to be able to use talk and text. You can talk to people unlimited, you can send text unlimited. You just got to see their ads. The SIM card is going to be activated only on their network. You can't use the phone. I'll explain it in the next little section of the video. Okay, so this is how basically the app works. When you're not on Wi-Fi, first you have to install it on your phone with Wi-Fi. Set it up, an account, get an put your email address in there, blah blah blah, and then go where I showed you to go to order the SIM card. Once you get the SIM card and activate the SIM card, this is how you're gonna get the free service. You're basically still gonna use the same app to talk and text anywhere. You're gonna get signal. Like right now, I'm not on Wi-Fi and I get signal, but if I try and make a call with the phone, it will not let me. If I try to send a text message with the phone, it will not let me. Like any text message that I try and send with the phone or with the phone app or the text app, it will not go through. Basically, the only thing that a SIM card does is give me internet to be able to use the Text Now app, and that's all it is. You can use the Text Now app to make phone calls. This is just a random number that I always call to test the phone. Okay, and you can receive calls on your number. That's my number that they gave me, they assigned to me, and this is all free. You can receive calls, you can make phone calls, and you can send text messages. You can click here and send a text message to anybody you want. The only thing is, once you finish, it's gonna send you. It's gonna show you a bunch of ads. So if you don't want the ads, then you pay. If you want to have internet service, then you have to pay whatever it is. I'm not gonna go into the price points that they have, but if you want to have internet, they'll give you internet, but you have to pay for it. Now, this is good for you to have a phone anywhere you go, because basically all it is, the SIM card is connecting to the internet, but it's not giving you access to internet. It's only going to give you access to the Text Now app, internet service, pretty much. It blocks the internet and it blocks the phone calls. It blocks the text messages on a regular network. But it allows the Text Now app to make phone calls and receive phone calls while you're using the SIM card, because that's why I asked myself, like, why even have it if all I'm gonna do is gonna be able to use the app. Now, it's fine when you're at home and you have Wi-Fi. It's great, you get a second phone number. But when you get out of the house and you go anywhere, you're gonna get cell phone service anywhere they have cell phone service. I don't know who they use. Might be T-Mobile or AT&T, whatever it is. Basically, this is free. You can go anywhere and you'll be able to use the Text Now app to send and receive phone calls, and it's as simple as that. So this is where you go and you order the SIM card, I guess. Settings, I think. I don't remember. You have to. I created this video later after I activated the SIM card, but you can go in there and get the SIM card. It's $1.99. You have to have a credit card or a PayPal to get it shipped. Once you get it, then you activate it, and that's it. So there you have it, free service, no strings attached. The only thing, you have to watch their ads when they come up, when you finish the call, that kind of thing. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and like. Bye.